One creator posted a video of your wooden play car transforming into a real car, and it hit 7.3 million views. No face, no expensive equipment, just free AI tools and wants to idea. Hey, welcome back to White Steps. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how these wooden car transformation videos are varying up right now, and more importantly, how you can start making your own for free. This niche is exploding across YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels because it is simple to make, satisfying to watch, and easy to scale once you know the workflow and how it works. So in this video, I'll show you how to find unlimited vehicles idea using AI. And also you will learn how to create these model transformation videos. You will also learn how to make multiple creations in minutes and how to maintain and use your free daily credit properly on these their AI tools. So it will want to jump on this trend before it gets saturated. Watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need is a chatbot. You can use ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, or any other AI assistant you prefer. But for this tutorial, I'll be using ChatGPT. Once you open it, type, "Give me 10 engaging car brand names with their model," including big brands like Rolls-Royce, BMW, Mercedes, and others. Then click Send. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a list of vehicle ideas for you. As you can see, we now have options like Rolls-Royce, Mercedes-Benz C-Class, BMW, Audi A4, and several others. The reason we're doing this is simple. Instead of trying to come up with ideas manually, we're letting AI generate unlimited vehicle concepts that we can turn into videos. Now that we have plenty of vehicles to choose from, the next thing we need is the prompt that powers the entire workflow. Now open the Google document containing the prompt for this workflow. I've already prepared a master prompt that handles most of the work for us, so you don't need to spend time figuring out complicated prompt engineering. Once you're inside the document, copy the entire prompt from top to bottom. Make sure you copy every section correctly, because each part contributes to the final result. I'll show you how to get access to this prompt at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around. Now that the prompt is ready, let's move into Google Flow and configure everything for generation. Open Google Flow and click New Project. Once the project opens, click your profile icon. You'll see that Google Flow provides 50 free credits every day, which automatically refresh every 24 hours. With those free credits, you can create several videos daily without paying. Next, inside the prompt box, click on the Settings tab. Then switch from image mode to video mode. If you're creating YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, or Instagram Reels, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 so the videos are optimized for vertical viewing. Set output to 1x. Select OmniFlash as the video model and choose a duration of 10 seconds. I'm using OmniFlash because it's fast and produces excellent results for this workflow. Once everything is configured, paste the master prompt into Google Flow. Near the bottom of the prompt, you'll find a section called Subject. This is the only part you'll need to change for every new video. Now let's use it to create our first example. Return to ChatGPT and choose any vehicle from the list it generated earlier. For this example, I'm going to use this car brand. As you can see, all you need to do is copy the vehicle name and model. Then go back to Google Flow and paste the name into the subject section inside the prompt box. After the vehicle name, add a color. I'm going to use red, so the final subject becomes red color car. Once everything is ready, click Send. Google Flow will immediately begin processing the request. If the status says queued, don't worry. That simply means the generation is waiting for available resources. After about 10 to 20 seconds, your first video should be ready. Let's preview the result. As you can see, the transformation looks incredibly clean. The video starts with raw wood, gradually shapes it into a vehicle, adds the details, applies the paint, and finishes with a completed car. This is exactly why this niche performs so well. People enjoy watching complete transformations from start to finish, making these videos highly satisfying and engaging. Now that we've successfully created our first video, Let's use the remaining credits to scale the workflow. The good news is that the hard part is already done. Your project is configured, the prompt is ready, and you now understand the workflow. From this point forward, all you need to do is replace the subject with a different vehicle and color combination. For example, go back to ChatGPT and copy the next car brand you like. Then return to Google Flow and hover over the first output we created. Click the undo icon to reuse the prompt. After that, replace the previous car brand name with the new one you selected. Then add the color you want and click Send. In just a few seconds, your second video should be ready. If you click on your profile icon, you'll see that we still have 20 credits remaining. That means we can create even more videos. The process is simple. Hover over the last video you created and click the undo icon to reuse the prompt. Then scroll down and replace the previous car brand with a new one. For example, let's enter White Color Camry 2019. Then click Send. You can generate almost any type of vehicle you want. The process remains exactly the same. Enter the new subject, click Generate, wait a few seconds, and review the output. Because you're only changing the vehicle name and color, you can create multiple unique videos very quickly before your daily credits run out. Once you've built a collection of videos, the final step is publishing them. After your videos are generated, download them directly to your device. You can then upload them to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or any other short-form platform you want to grow on. As your credits refresh each day, you can repeat the process and continue expanding your collection of videos. If you'd like the exact prompt used in this tutorial, leave a comment saying "Done," and I'll send it to you for free. I'll also be sharing more AI workflows like this in future videos, so make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.